Top 10 Facts on Business Analysis Techniques. Theory of Constraints. Definition. The theory of constraints, TOC, is a management philosophy and methodology that focuses on identifying and resolving constraints or bottlenecks in a system to improve overall performance. It was introduced by Dr. Eliyahu M. Goldratt in the 1980s and has been widely applied in various industries and business settings. Constraints. TOC emphasizes that every system has at least one constraint that limits its performance. A constraint can be a physical resource, a policy, a rule, or any other factor that restricts the system from achieving its desired outcome. Identifying and addressing constraints is crucial for improving system performance. 5 Focusing Steps. TOC provides a systematic approach to addressing constraints through a series of 5 focusing steps. 1. Identify the constraint. 2. Exploit the constraint. 3. Subordinate all other decisions to the constraint. 4. Elevate the constraint. And 5. Repeat the process with the newly identified constraint. These steps help in continuously improving system performance. Throughput accounting. TOC uses a unique approach to accounting called throughput accounting, which focuses on measuring and managing the flow of products or services through a system rather than traditional cost accounting. Throughput, operating expense, and inventory are key performance measures used in TOC to optimize system performance. Drum Buffer Rope, DBR. DBR is a key concept in TOC that focuses on managing the flow of work through a system. The drum represents the constraint or bottleneck. The buffer represents the amount of work that should be kept in front of the constraint to ensure continuous flow, and the rope represents the release of work based on the constraint's capacity. Critical Chain Project Management, CCPM. CCPM is a project management approach derived from TOC that focuses on managing constraints in project environments. It emphasizes the importance of managing project schedules based on the constraints' availability rather than the traditional practice of padding individual task durations. Thinking processes. TOC uses various tools and techniques called thinking processes to analyze and solve problems. These include the Current Reality Tree, CRT, the Evaporating Cloud, EC, the Future Reality Tree, FRT, and the Prerequisite Tree, PRT, among others. These tools help in identifying and resolving conflicts and constraints in a systematic manner. System thinking. TOC emphasizes the importance of understanding the entire system and its interdependencies, rather than optimizing local efficiencies. It promotes a holistic and systems thinking approach where the focus is on optimizing the performance of the entire system rather than individual parts. Continuous improvement. TOC advocates for continuous improvement as an ongoing process. By identifying and addressing constraints, TOC helps in removing bottlenecks, improving system performance, and uncovering new constraints. This iterative process allows for continuous improvement and optimization of system performance. Real-world application. TOC has been successfully applied in various industries, including manufacturing, supply chain management, project management, healthcare, and service industries. Its principles and methodologies have been proven to be effective in improving system performance, reducing lead times, increasing throughput, and improving overall business outcomes. Note: the theory of constraints, TOC, is a management philosophy and methodology that focuses on identifying and resolving constraints or bottlenecks in a system to improve overall performance. It uses the 5 focusing steps: throughput accounting, drum buffer rope, and various thinking processes to optimize system performance. TOC promotes a systems thinking approach and continuous improvement and has been successfully applied in various industries.